The Rio Grande.
So happy.
It's too bad it's so smoky. Eddie,
Oh,
you were driving the whole way here.
yeah.
So, what town are we in?
Riverbend Hot Springs.
What
No, we're in
town?
Truth or Consequences. I know.
Very good. Really like driving in New Mexico?
Oh yeah, there's less people. There's a bunch of them.
Big fishies. Good fishing here. This is Albuquerque.
Yo.
It's a 300-year-old church. Whoa. Ooh, grizzly. Well, that was interesting.
Oh, yeah.
What did you have to say with the Catholics don't joke around?
Oh, Crusades are an example of that.
Yeah, that was hilarious. I love you.
Oh, the windshield's so gross.
It's for Santa Fe.
Does not seem like we're going into a city at all, especially a capital city. There it is, the city skyline. Oh, not anymore. Oldest church in the US of A.
Established in 1610.
These churches, they are really, really cool. Everyone's got an adobe house. Santa Fe is kind of like an HOA neighborhood that makes sure that everyone's house sort of looks the same.
I can see that. Your house is the wrong shade of mud. Tallest freestanding spiral staircase.
Which is pretty impressive, but we can't go in because it's closed.
Lots of little details.
You're enjoying Canyon Road?
I'm trying to.
The Whirligig Trail. Of all the sculptures around here, and there are a lot,
A lot.
our favorite has got to be the dung beetle.
Da, 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 da.
Expression out of her voice.
It's so pretty, but our windshield is so gross. And there's a canyon.
You know, Mom, we should clean our windshield.
Yeah, we really
It might
should.
benefit us very well when it comes to video.
It would also be nice if the gas station we went to actually had a windshield cleaning apparatus.
If we can't drive through a tree in Sequoia National Park this year.
Alright, we're good.
Okay, well, that was something, at least.
That was Dad trying to act shocked.
And there's frost on the windshield. It was, what, like 37 last night?
Something like that. That's pretty cool.
Yep. Hello, Mr. Snake. We're in Taos. I love these cars. Look at them. Woo. I am digging this plaza. Taos seems like the right amount of dirty and pretty. It's weird. Oh, neat. Look.
Oh, that is cool.
Ah, that's, see? You don't care. You're just tired. Alright, Joe gets to walk across the bridge. That will absolutely scare the pants off of him. The holy pants off of him. Holy pants, Batman.
Pants are dry now.
So I guess this has to be here for a reason.
Suicide is not the answer.
It's a long way down.
Okay, y'all stop driving over here now.
That shook it a little bit.
It's still shaking. Let's go. We got to go, fellas. We got to go.
Oh, yes. I have been wanting to see this kind of stuff for a while. People living on solar and rammed earth houses. It is pretty cool. This is so pretty. There's the Rockies. You saw pronghorn. That's art.